The Failed SOC Check error 2113 is a technical issue that specifically affects Sprint customers who are now part of the T-Mobile network. This error message indicates the system cannot retrieve service option code information from your account. This error primarily impacts customers who originally had Sprint service and are now transitioning to T-Mobile's network infrastructure. The issue became more common after the Sprint-T-Mobile merger was completed. To understand this error, we first need to know what SOC codes are. SOC stands for Service Option Code. These are unique identifiers that define your specific service plan, features, and billing arrangements. SOC codes serve several critical functions. They determine your network access permissions, specify your data allowances and speed limits, define available features like hotspot or international roaming, and control your billing arrangements and pricing. Error 213 typically occurs during specific account activities. You might encounter it when trying to change your service plan, upgrading or swapping devices, during network authentication processes, or when customer service tries to access your account information. The root cause of this error lies in the ongoing integration between Sprint's legacy systems and T-Mobile's infrastructure. Sprint used a different SOC coding system than T-Mobile, creating compatibility issues when the systems try to communicate. Now let's look at immediate solutions you can try to resolve this error. There are 4 main approaches that often work to fix the SOC check problem. First, contact T-Mobile customer service and request a manual SOC refresh. The representative can manually update your account's service codes in their system, which often resolves the error immediately. Second, you can request complete account reprovisioning. This involves refreshing your entire account profile in T-Mobile's systems, which can resolve deeper integration issues. Third, consider upgrading to a T-Mobile native plan. Since these plans use T-Mobile's current SOC coding system, they eliminate compatibility issues entirely. Finally, try resetting your device's network settings. This clears cached network authentication data and forces your device to reestablish its connection with updated SOC information. These immediate solutions address the most common causes of error 213. Most customers find success with customer service assistance or account reprovisioning. If these steps don't resolve your issue, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting from T-Mobile's technical support team. T-Mobile has implemented comprehensive long-term solutions to address the SOC 213 error permanently. These solutions focus on automatic migration programs and enhanced system monitoring. The first major solution is automatic migration programs. These programs proactively move Sprint customers to compatible T-Mobile native plans, eliminating the root cause of SOC code conflicts. The second solution involves enhanced system monitoring. T-Mobile has implemented advanced monitoring systems that can predict and prevent SOC errors before they impact customers. Now, let's look at the timeline for these improvements and what customers can expect in the coming years. T-Mobile has provided a clear timeline for resolving SOC errors. By the end of 2025, they expect a 90% reduction in SOC 213 errors as legacy Sprint systems are fully retired. Complete Sprint system decommissioning is anticipated by the second quarter of 2026, marking the end of legacy system conflicts and SOC-related errors. While T-Mobile works on these long-term solutions, there are important prevention strategies customers can implement right now. The most effective prevention strategy is to voluntarily migrate to T-Mobile native plans. This eliminates the compatibility issues that cause SOC errors in the first place. Keep detailed records of your current plan features and pricing before making any changes. This documentation helps ensure you don't lose important benefits during migration. Avoid making major account changes during high-traffic periods like holidays or promotional events, when systems are under heavy load and more prone to errors. Finally, let's examine the current resolution success rates across different support channels to help you choose the most effective approach. T-Mobile has seen significant improvements in resolution success rates. Store visits now resolve 82% of SOC error cases, making them the most effective support option. Customer service calls resolve 78% of cases, making phone support a reliable second option for addressing SOC errors. Online chat support resolves 65% of cases, while automatic system corrections handle 45%. Using multiple support channels increases your chances of quick resolution. These comprehensive long-term solutions, combined with proactive prevention strategies, will significantly reduce SOC 213 errors. T-Mobile's systematic approach ensures a smoother transition for all Sprint customers moving forward.